Now we're going to showcase an example of some of what quality work looks like and how we repair this ceiling. When it used to look like this. Before we do anything, we protect the surrounding areas so the debris will not get anywhere it's not supposed to. So we put up plastic. Next, we have to cut that damaged area out, punching a hole through that ceiling. Now that's the fun part. Got to patch the hole, float it, add the correct amount of texture to blend in with the rest of the ceiling before it's painted. This is the tricky part, and where you can tell if the job was completed by true professionals or amateurs. Now we have to wait for the texture to dry before painting it. This can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. For this project, we let it sit overnight and came back the next day to paint. Some customers believe that all we need to do is paint the area that was repaired. However, this would be a mistake.